So a hacker broke into a company's servers and stole the passwords and then just moved all across the network and then it locked up the entire database. When one login failed, it wrote itself a fix in 31 seconds and then just kept right on going. And then it really rapidly dropped a ransom note. How was this hacker able to get so fast? Are the black hats truly that amazing right now? Actually, no person was typing the commands. An AI ran the entire break-in itself, one step at a time, and a security firm called Sysdig watched it unfold in the logs. So, how much of a ransomware attack can an AI actually run? Well, turns out most of the technical part. So, it found a company running an open source tool called Langflow, and it had a known hole in it. And it used it to slip in, grab the credentials, spread sideways, and encrypted more than 1,300 configuration files. It even left comments in its own code, which was super kind, explaining each move. In my mind, I don't know, it's like a mystery TV show and the burglar's voice is narrating his robbery out loud to an empty room. Could be the politest ransomware ever written, but none of it needed an expert, which is the part that's deeply concerning. And then it fell apart in a way that's almost adorably sweet. The AI ran this whole break in, bless its heart, and then it fumbled the one thing that a criminal actually needs, which is to get paid. It made the encryption key, it printed it to the screen, and then it threw it away. So even if the victim paid, nobody can unlock those files, including the attacker. But then there's the ransom note. The AI pasted in a Bitcoin address to collect the money. It was the example address from Bitcoin's own developer docs, which is the dummy one every coder has ever seen in a tutorial. Kind of the equivalent of signing a ransom note John Doe. It memorized it from training. It never checked even a sanity check to say, does this make any sense whatsoever? My dad used to say, if you're going to laugh about it someday, laugh about it now. And this thing is actually pretty darn funny, unless you're the company that had a bunch of its files encoded. So a person picked the target, set up the servers, and then handed the AI stolen keys to start it. And then the machine did all the really, really hard technical work for this script kiddie, and then it fumbled the basic parts that take actual understanding. The Sysdigger researcher said the skill floor for running a ransomware operation just dropped to whatever it costs to run a cheap open source AI. Now, my bet is somebody fixes the stupid parts and points one at a company you've heard of before, let's just say before the year is out. So, what stops the version that doesn't make those mistakes? If you found this quick and helpful, please subscribe. But until next time, keep asking good questions.